Today we have this 1960 Smith-Corona Skyriter, vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use all the functions and make sure they all work. Comes with this leather zip case, really cool. The margins are right here on each side, and that's where you'll stop on the carriage. Also has this flip tray. This is your paper bail, and it just holds down the paper. I was actually able to type all the keys without getting to the end of the margin, so we're going to go with caps. And there you go, you can hear the bell. So once you hear the bell, you hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning of the margin, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just push this little lever here that's in between this line space and the platen down, and it'll skip 2 when you hit the line space instead of 1. We're going to keep it on single space for now and go back to the next line and type a sentence. Very nice typing machine. The print is Elite, which types 12 characters per inch. I'm really surprised at how well this typewriter types based on its compactness. It's made out of really good material, like metal and steel. It's really heavy, strong, and durable, and it'll last forever if you take care of it. Anything made brand new today is from China. It's made from cheap parts. They can't make them anymore like this without them costing over $1,200. So if you want something that's well made and will last forever, you really have to go with these vintage typewriters. To pull the paper out easy, you flip this switch back on the right side here above that right knob. It'll allow you to pull the paper out easy, or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip it back forward before you load the next page, or else it won't load. It's got a backspace on the right side here that works good. A shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, you hit the shift button again. It's got an MR, which is a margin release. So if you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that will stop you from typing. And as you can see, if you can see that, the light might be blocking it. You can't type once you get to the end of the margin, but if you hit that MR, it'll allow you to finish that word at the end of the page, and that works good. Open the hood. We got the spools. All the brand new ribbon is loaded here on the left side, so it's pulling clockwise to the right. And if you want to switch the direction, there is a switch right, that silver switch right there. You just push that up and it'll start pulling to the left. We're going to keep it pulling to the right for now. This is your touch control from low to high, L to H. The higher you go, the more tension is loaded on the keys. So you just have to hit the keys a little harder, but they spring back faster. I like it on low. You don't have to hit the keys as hard. You can flip that down. And this is your carriage release lever on the right side only. And that is about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy for sale. Search Brooksaw Antiques.